just as I was about to save this video, I realized there wasn't a proper intro or outro for it. So this is me making it. So basically this video is a vlog on my first photo shoot. I'm hoping that there are many more to come along the way in my life. This was very exciting for me and I was looking forward to it. It made me really happy and proud. I think it was just a really good experience. So if you would like to see my first photo shoot and how it went, then you could go ahead and keep watching. Some of the pictures will be on my Instagram. Here is all the information you need. Yarita, she's the photographer. I'll put her information too. She takes very beautiful pictures, but I hope you guys enjoy this video and yeah. So the photo shoot is today. I just woke up, I brushed my teeth. I'm just gonna curl my hair, do my eyebrows, and then yeah. So I did my eyebrows, but I'm a little bit scared. I feel like I did them too thick. Oh my gosh, my eyebrows look so ugly. But anyways, I curled my hair. Now we're gonna go ahead and get ready. I need to pack a couple more things and change. And here I have brushes and like lipsticks. I was doing, you know, like the basics. And then in here, I just have everything else. I forgot to shave my legs. I look like a mess. Okay, this is Araceli. That's my cousin. Wait, what's your name again? That's Citlali.
Smell this one.
Okay. Hey, I haven't presented you. That's Yarita.
Hey.
Okay. They're gonna be like, let me hire you out of selling. Hey, this is that one song.
Turn it up.
I'm just taking off.
Okay, there. It's so hot.
So this is the third outfit?
Second,
Second?
I think. Yeah.
No, the third one.
Third one.
This is the third one?
So this is the fourth?
Yeah, I think. Okay,
Fourth
so
thing.
the fourth one, I'm changing, and then she's gonna bring a chair, and we're gonna do.
We're doing the white backdrop.
And then we're gonna do another one with the clouds.
It's gonna be
It's gonna be cool.
super cool.
Should I fix the hat? No, I was literally just. Should I? Or does it? Or,
No, it looks good like that. Like
okay,
that. That's
well,
fine.
okay, guys, this is the outfit.
Okay.
I'm gonna do different ones. Like one I'll smile, one I'll pretend. That was so cool. They're gonna hit you.
Okay, that's
up.
enough. That's
They're
enough.
gonna
That's
hit you,
enough.
and you can't show them all of it. They gotta go to her page.
That's what I was thinking, honestly.
Like I just put it down, and then it's just a flower like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah, let's do it.
Be there.
My eyeshadow crease.
That doesn't look too bad. Let me see.
You can put this on.
Oh yeah.
Like on
Bro,
top of your
Rob
brow.
was striking your forehead.
I'm holding it. Like tighter.
So now
up
we're
there.
gonna do back to dropping them, but with like the sky backdrop. We weren't recording, but they like threw it and it looked so cool.
You're doing like a sponsorship or something.
For clouds.
No, like.
It's like, well, that was pretty good. Yeah.
So that's a wrap.
So, oh, that's a wrap.
As just there to pleasure someone else or to please someone else, and I feel like that.
Oh my gosh, is that who is clapping? Okay, we're leaving. We're done. That's a wrap. I'm going home.
Give me my respect. I just took it left like on ambidex.
After the car ride home, I just came home. I had a lot to do, so that's why I didn't really update you guys and do a proper ending. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like videos like this, please let me know. I just want to say, if you have something in mind that you want to do but you're scared or just doubting yourself, just do it. Like, do it. You never know what it's gonna be like until you do it. You might fall in love with it like I did. That's all I have for today, so thanks so much for watching.